Now serving Tots Carlos. We're entering to the third set. Tots Carlos. Jim. No, it's a floor touch. Shanika. Jim. Played by Doya. Set by Gina. Attacked by Trinidad Esposo. Rivas. It's a shot ball. Is 3-0. Now serving Jean. Jean or Jean? 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 Jean pala. Big drop by, set by Gina. And Gino's attacking. Hanika. Pinalo. Gino's again. Big by Datsma, set by Gina and Erika attacking. Yan. Successful.
Wala na siya water. Butangan ako ni guys. Wala na. Wala kay tubig na din. May water.
Crossovers. Esposo. To Datsma and Erika attacking. Yan. It's in. Doya from take by Candy. Shingles. Doya. And Datsma attack. Shingles. It's a shot ball. Serving April. Rivas to Doya. Trinidad dropping. Yan. Check ball. Trinidad. To Magtuling dropping. Ayan, successful doon si Candy. Grabe ka bright si Candy, oy. Wala siya si iyang kuya, si Clyde. Veterana kay si Candy. Kung saan Ken? Chay. Serving Jingles. Acer. 7-3. Nawala na dyan ang Cool Smashers. Nanuli na sila. Murag ikatod na Cool Smashers na bigi. Murag mga hits lang tudlo ay. Trinidad. Under again. Murag wala sa not si Anika. Isapot siya. Charot lang. Ikapoy na si Anika. Gani na champion siya. Serving Genius. Big by Doya. Datsma. Big by Genius. Shayna. Doya. Tots Carlos. Esposa. Magtuling dropping. Bright kay si Candy. O siya tagiya sa Candy lunch. Serving Jean Rose. Candy. Datsma. Handcuff. It's a shot ball. The center. Ini sa hukbo. Candy. Datsma. Dropping. Big by Esposa. Hanika. Gorgeous Rose. Hanika. Gina to Datsma. Outside. Out of bounds. Pero sa bago ay bago siya ang sponsor sa dada ka ng sponsor sa kwan. So nagkapanen. Gina to Datsma, dropping, that by Kenny Esposo. Gina. Check. To Datsma. Again, Esposo to Gina. There by the center, Mary Jane. Wala dyan, uso si Mary Jane magsarap sa bola tayo. Score 5-9.
Sorry lang, sorry.
10-9 di ay 10-9 daw.
10-9, 10-5.
Ay 10-5, sorry. A powerful hit by Candy Matulwin. Kaya po sila ni Candy ay
Mga setter ang sili pa, mamaya na mga setter sa talanting. Si Bianca, si April, kani Awing, sa Angels, sa Mua si
serving from first smashers. That's man.
magdaghan diri ang dalaga man. Oh, dari.
Time check ang oras ngayon. Miss Mary. 9-9. Sa kaset kita 1 hour. Gloria. Take Junior to special. Score 11 Trinidad. Mary Jane Trinidad serving. It's in. April attacking. First start period. To Jania. Hit by Mary Jane. Hanika attacking. Down hit. Successful. Again. Score 8-11. 3-point lead here. Trinidad. Specialist. Si Mary Jane Trinidad. O, diba? Grabe mo. Big by Kenny Esposo. Third free pass attacking. It's out. Crossover. Ayan. So, the score is 10-11. Swerte kayo si Mary Jane. O, yung siya dyan ang service specialist sa team. Full smashers. Kung nangahilis ang tutlo, buo pa ang kamot ni Mary Jane. Wala problema. Siya dyan ang tinuos na legend. Ang mga batch niya. April. It's in. Inside. 11. Again, Trinidad. Trinidad, napakahaba ng serve. Esposo, to Rivas, block by Doria, big by Jane, and Gina, out attacking cross-court. Ayan, napakalakas ng talo ni Hanika. Iyang one and only. Ay nasa likod. Hanika, that's Hanika dropping the ball. Yan, set, Anika attacking cross-court. Take by Jake. And going with a long rally. Anika again attacking down the line here. Esposo, third rebound, blocked by Doria. Take by the center, Gina. Gina, ang pinyan, Atimanan. Oh my God! Ang pinyan. Galing mo. Naliwan na si Dada ay masing wala sa kasunod sa finals. Kaya wala ka lang pait. Hani ka, napakalakas na dito ang palo. Ayan. At sabi mo, wala na ng dito kasi Dada wala kasunod sa finals. Ano lang pa rin? Ojan siya lang pa rin. Take by Datsma. Score Walay mo kay holiday tomorrow. Holiday tomorrow na address si Vice Mayor Roy Bakiran Vice. Vice Mayor. Ayan, it's a blackout. Dumigat by Gloria. Daha, tanang kada para sa sunod ba? Kung saan mo pagpasunod sa final serving esposo. Dig by Datsma. Gloria attacking. Dig by Gina. Shinros. Trinidad. Gloria. Ayan, grabe si Gloria. Now serving Gloria, the middle blocker. Esposo to Chingos attacking. Chingos. Rivas dropping the ball. Set by Enanica attacking to the cross court. Rivas, there goes. Not over. Sorry. There's one call away. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to say. One stop down. One stop, last stop. Esposo, Torrentina. Grabe, lucky child na si Serendina. Serendina, hindi na pang pamilya, kundi pang sports pa. Now serving Vivas. Vivas. April. Halika attacking. Oh my God. Not over. Second. Vivas. April. The crossover. Gloria. Halika to that. Go back. Correct. Chinos. Set and that's my attacking down the line here. Maturin and Danica, big by Jinga, and Chinos attacking down and big by Goya, attacked by Bradsma, Esposo to Maturin. It's in. So we will be set. 17, serving 16. That's my. It's out of bounds. The score is 18, serving 16. In favor of Cool and crossovers pala, the charity group. Serving again, Rivas, Trinidad. Big by Rivas, the Chinos attacking. Again, that ball committed by Esposo. Bianca Esposo. Score is 17, serving 18. Ano ba siya para malaman? Lobat siya. Ay, hindi tayo. Serving, ay serving. Big by Hanika. Attack by Tatsman. Nadig. Set by Black. It's a net violation committed by Tatsman. So, kapag buwan din. Pag-ito. 19 serving 17. 19-17. Another 4 touches down. Not over. 20-17. Now serving Rose. Jim Rose. Pilit. Tarat. Charet. Service ace by Borges Rose. Laglabe. Naluya na siya. Time out team First Smashers. Gusto magpapit ang mga jersey. Basta jersey na lang tayo. Bisa ko sa mga corporates. Gamowa. Hindi kayong luhaan. Try lang ha. Now serving the gorgeous Rose, 1722, Mary Jane. Matulin, Virginia, De Baldoria, and that's my attacking. Again, it's a check ball, committed by the gorgeous Rose. 22-18. Now serving the center of the Cool Smashers. Esposo, Shania, big by the center, Gina to Mary Jane. Esposo to Matulin, down the line here. Big by Esposo to Gina. That's not set by attacking. It's just cleared by. Oh, diba? Let's go. Esposo to Matulin, dropping the ball. Gina. Blocked by Matulin. A solid block. And Esposo to Gina, dropping. Right. Net violation. Okay. Don't forget guys. One call away. Ginabuta ka ba? Score 20. Sana nakatayo na ko lang. Ayan, we'd like to acknowledge sa ating mga andyan sa table. Si Miss Lupa, si Ma'am si Jill Pigiran and Dada. And of course, the CEO, the President of the Smithville Volleyball Club, Miss Lisa Hardinero. And of course, sa ating official referee, Mr. Haris Bahura. Rondina. Patay. Good po na. Sulat na. Ano ba sila na-charge ba? Kanya, wala na-charge ba sa pikas? Dili. Charge mo rin ito. Sa hour of the wala ko rin. Sa pikas, Smashers, and the crossover team. Led by April, Esposo, Tumatulin, led by Gloria, and Tot Stylus. Ayan si Tot Stylus.
Don't stop, don't leave, just do it, do it, do it.
Set point for two. Now serving on deck, Sisi Grundina. That's fun. Ayan. That's man. Sa ating mga Costan family, hello everyone. Reunion nila tonight na po. Charot lang. Yes. Guys, this is a championship match. 24 not. Again, power cross clear.